Good afternoon. We're over in Hyannis and about to do some walking along Main Street in Hyannis. So we're going right through Alberto's to the main street. Now we're parking this parking lot way in the back, all free parking. It's a little alleyway here. And Alberto's on the left side of me.
James, a lot of paints.
Oh yeah, they get this whole wall painted up.
Hey, look, the chicks. More chicks. Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
I'm gonna walk this way.
Yeah, the Albertos, we've been here before. We've eaten in there. They have a prefixed dinner menu.
And Ben and Jerry's
we did a prefixed
ice cream
menu.
right next to it.
We did a prefixed menu dinner. Wow. Nobody's eating outside today because it's windy.
No, it's not so bad on this side.
Yeah, over there in the parking lot was bad. Is this walking towards the Kennedy Library, or is it
Yeah.
that way?
Well, I think it's the park down this way.
I think the library is that way. It's to the other side.
Yeah.
We'll have to come up here another day and go down there to get filmed down there, because there's, well, towards the summer. When summer comes, then we'll do more.
And then we can take a boat trip to Martha's Vineyard.
Oh, I don't know about that. Shop over here for another church. Something like that. The Baldwin Hall. That's the church over there. I don't know if this is connected to that. Look how big this church is with the big cross.
Bus and train station down this way.
Huh?
It's a bus and train station. It's down this way.
Yeah, well, we've already done that.
More shops and restaurants.
We went on a train. How about this church? Federated Church. Look how tall it is. Look how high the cross goes. Federated Church. Go into that bank. A little stronger.
So we crossed the street and we're going to be walking on the side of the road.
Yeah, we were getting very close to the to that curve, like the end of Hyannis, going into, what's the name of the town again? South. What is it?
Yarmouth.
Yarmouth. Yes. Is it South Yarmouth over there?
I don't know.
I think it's South Yarmouth. Oh, it's Yarmouth. Doesn't matter.
It's west and east.
It says Primetime Cape Cod, but I don't know, is it in operation?
I don't know.
Sometimes it doesn't appear to be in operation, is it? Is it in operation? Looks like if everything's very empty. Well, I'm telling you, a lot of people are wearing winter jackets today. Come over here. A lot of people are wearing winter winter jackets today because it's wicked cold.
Oh, cars are going to come down.
Yeah. I put it on, but then
Very
you have
windy.
a very light jacket on. People are wearing winter jackets today.
There's Ben and Jerry's across the street.
I have no idea what this used to be. I
Um,
think. I don't know what this used to be. Covered up, whatever it was. Not in business right now.
There's a guitar sale there. There's Alberto's across the street. Jack's drum shop. You see the drums right in the window. Green Lotus Cafe. Oh, looks like a clothing store. Am I reading right?
It's a clothing store.
Yeah. Oh, why does it say cafe?
I don't know.
This is Mitchell Gifts across the street.
Yeah, we're parked
Cape
behind
Cod
it.
Jewelers. Seaside Selections.
Here's the Bennett Gallery.
Yeah,
I don't know if I've ever
Bennett
seen
Gallery.
this. Might have become something that was not
Village
before.
Green Apartments. The Arena Bakery and Cafe. Some other lovely flowers here.
I don't know if all these things are in business, James.
I don't
Things
know.
like the signs are out of business.
Seaside Selections across the street.
The puppy
Next to
cakes.
it.
The puppy cakes over there.
Puppy Cake Dog Grooming.
And here's the park.
The shoe store.
And here's the park that we've walked before. Welcome to Hyannis.
That's the sign. JFK. Little sign here showing where everything is. This is at the park. JFK Museum. And you have an Indian run at the stone here. Down below through the park is the JFK Memorial Beach, Hyannis Harvest Town Hall, which is the building straight ahead. Walkway to the sea.
0.3 miles. JFK Memorial 0.8. And the beach is 1 mile. And I would love to do the walk over here too, but not,
So they got
not at this point.
names around the Indian.
Yeah, that's a nice Indian.
This is the Indian right here.
Yeah.
And there's a military monument over there. I'll just take a walk down there. Take a look at it. Right over to the right. And they got some tulips growing on over here. So this is the Vietnam Veteran Memorial, 1959 to 1975, dedicated to all who believe in freedom, to honor those who came home, as well as those left behind. Americans will not forget. And this was built in November 11, 1983. That's what this is. This is across from the Veteran Memorial, and that's the Town Hall. Right here is the Vietnam Veteran Memorial. So we're gonna walk back up. Just follow this little winding path. There's Fernando coming down.
We ate a sandwich. We were in some kind of weird seating, like I don't know.
I think it's a small little doorway.
Well, that's small, but not that small.
There you go, Silver Seahorse across the street.
Oh, thank goodness for these face masks.
Across from that, this is the Kennedy, I believe. Oh, this is the post office.
That's the post office.
Yeah, that's the post office right here. Mailbox. Yeah, coffee.
Cakes and candy over there.
Pizza bar bone.
Pizza bar bone. Pizza bar bone.
So there's the pizza bar bone.
A lot of things are different.
Police.
That place over there, that ice cream place.
Puritan Cape Cod.
Oh, that was there before.
Yeah.
That's the same. And the museum is across the way. This side.
There you got flowers growing. And this is the Kennedy Museum.
We're gonna cross first, or we let the car go?
Yeah, we're gonna let it go. This is John F. Kennedy Hyannis Museum. It's Kennedy right here. And this is the museum. They got a statue of Kennedy, so we'll take a walk over there and take a closer look. JFK Museum, this is John Kennedy, and it says 1926 on the building over there. So here's the Hyannis Public Library, which is right across the Kennedy Museum.
Yeah, we've been here to the British Beer Company.
Yeah.
It's a nice place. They got
Common ground over there.
quite a bit of food to choose from. Oh, that's where we went, the Common Ground. We ate there. That's the place. Common Ground, the small little place.
Yeah. Well, that's right over here.
Yeah, we had sandwiches over there, but we were sitting in some.
Yeah, they got all these little signs here.
seats.
I wonder what this is. The library. I don't know why that's there.
Well, they set it up for
Nothing on
stuff. They're setting up for stuff. That's what is going on. Probably stuff this weekend. My niece Gloria and their daughter came out of this place when we were staying down here. Remember?
Torino restaurant.
They did that. They came out of this Torino
outdoors.
restaurant.
Funny
We've never
outdoor
been
seating.
here. Huh? Yeah, we were going
Little
by here and
sandwich
she was
shop.
coming out.
Huh.
Huh?
That thing's boarded up like the other place with
What
all
is?
the things on it.
Oh
Sea
yeah.
creatures.
Well, that's I guess they're closed.
Yeah. And they have the menu on the outside.
Yeah,
And there's the bull right on top.
yeah, well, that's what Torino
Yeah.
means. We're gonna have to try this place sometime, which means it's an Italian restaurant. I wonder if this charter school is running.
So they have a Kennedy Legacy Trail,
Wait.
which you can pick up. There's a little map. It takes you all around. We did that one time. So they got directions on these poles over here.
Yeah, I wonder if this school is running. It probably isn't.
There's one of the old clocks across the street. Definitely is not working. It's not 9 o'clock.
I don't know what that blue one is.
Acme building.
Did you put this one down there, the charter school?
Oh, this.
One down?
Yeah. It's a charter school. Across the street is the Kennedy Gallery. Kennedy Gallery.
Where? Oh. We went in there once,
And this
I think.
building is for lease or sale.
Well, we got pizza over here. Paleo Pizzeria. The
It's
Paleo
pizza.
Pizzeria. We got pizza here.
Yeah, we went on the Cape Cod duckmobile.
Yeah, which is right in here. You take the duckmobiles, it's right here in this spot. Yep, it says so right there. We got pizza here, and we went on the duckmobile.
So, right over here in the corner is where you get tickets for the duckmobile. The corner of the building.
If
place.
it's running, I don't think it's running.
No, not now.
Something they're doing.
Now with all the pandemic going on and everything.
And I think we
Cape
should
Cod
try to
Inn.
make it here. We've stayed here. We stayed here for a week at this
Yeah.
place back here, and that's as far as we're gonna go to right now because it's way too windy.
Okay,
It's way too windy, way too
we'll
uncomfortable.
cross at the man walk. So you got Zoe and Company Professional Bra Fitters. So you need a bra,
And James,
they'll fit it for
they
you.
also do bra fitters for the wrestling girls,
Yeah.
for the wrestlers.
This is the Kennedy Gallery.
50% off everything. 50% off everything. I think, well, James.